Hello everyone, today we are going to see about a Regulating Act of 1773. Purpose of the Act are first to regulate and control East India Company. This is the primary purpose for which this Act has been passed, and then it recognized East India Company's political and administrative function here, and then this is seen as foundation for central administration in India. So the provisions or features of this act are with respect to regulating and controlling, certain changes has been brought under Council of Directors. This act increased the tenure from 1 year to 4 years. Then 1/4 of the member get retired every year. These retired directors are not eligible for re-election. Then this also brought certain restriction to the company servants. They are, it prohibited private trade of the servant, that is they can only engage in East India Company's trade, they cannot do any private trade on their own. Then it restricted getting bribes or present from native ruler or people traders, and then it made Council of Directors to submit report every year to British government regarding revenue, civil and military affairs in India. And then regarding political and administrative function, it changed Governor of Bengal designation to Governor General of Bengal, and it made Governor of Madras and Bombay as subordinate governor to Governor General of Bengal. Then this act also fixed tenure for Governor General of Bengal as 5 years. By this, first Governor General is Warren Hastings. Then it also established a executive council to assist Governor General of Bengal by 4 members. So any decision is to be taken based on the majority decision. So only at tie situation, Governor General of Bengal is entitled to vote. In other situation, he cannot vote. Then it gave a provision to set up Supreme Court in Calcutta. By this, at 1774 through Royal Charter, Supreme Court established at Calcutta, and for this 1 Chief Justice and 3 judges appointed by British. First Chief Justice of Supreme Court of Calcutta is Sir Elijah Impey, and based on this Supreme Court model, later on in 1801 at Madras also they established Supreme Court, and then by 1824 in Bombay also they established Supreme Court. These are the provisions of Regulating Act of 1773. In our next video, let's see Amending Act of 1781 in detail. Thank you.